Hello, I'm Rich Dean with West Coast Collector Cars in Oregon, and today I've got a beautiful 1976 Pontiac Firebird to show you. Now, you don't really see these too often, and I can tell you not very many are built the way this one is. This is a very special car. It's been completely restored by an outfit here close by to us that does exemplary work. And I want to take you around, show you the traits of this car, and I think you'll like it. It's actually it's really cool. So this is finished in its original color, sterling silver. It's now, of course, a base coat clear coat, and you can see how deep the paint is. Very smooth, very nice. Gaps are nice. Anybody that has one of these F-body styles will tell you that's not easy to do. Does a very fine job. This is the Firebird Esprit level. And the wheels, these are 15-inch Pontiac Rally 2 wheels with the chrome, and then you got kind of your bronze look and your chrome spokes. BF Goodrich radial TAs all around. Willwood power front disc brakes on this car, power steering, vintage air conditioning. I'm going to get to that here in a little bit, but let's go around. I show things like this as well. You can see the little staples. When they restored it, they put the correct staples back in instead of just drilling a screw in there. You know, the dual sport mirrors. You got this vinyl top here, which is probably part of the Esprit package. Very nice condition, obviously redone. All the trim and chrome and bright work is on the car, and excellent. This is kind of cool here, a little Firebird call out on the door handle. Let me take you inside here. Now, this is the original color scheme for the interior. It's called Firethorn vinyl, which is red. Beautiful interior, very nice. The console is excellent. Power windows on this one as well. Dash and everything is excellent. Gauges are nice. An aftermarket stereo in there. The back seat's excellent. Headliner with a little light glowing there, you can see. Doors close nice and easy. These are big, heavy doors. You know, another trait for these F-bodies. The gaps are nice. Now check this out. These are vintage Krager rear window louvers. Kind of cool. They were made specifically for the car. Back here in the paint on the rear bumpers, just did an excellent job on the paint work. Let me show you inside the trunk. Now, this car has a aftermarket stereo, so you'll see it's got that speaker and a little light work in there as well. All painted nicely up under here. Trunk, nice and solid. Beautiful car. Let me take a moment to tell you a little bit about the website, westcoastcollectorcars.com, where I've got pictures of the Firebird. Welcome to take a look at that. But I've got pictures of the undercarriage as well. Original under there, very clean, not super detailed, but you'll see it's just very nice and clean under there. Transmission looks great. This is a 455 built by Butler Performance. I'll get to that in a little bit. Transmission is a turbo 400 3-speed automatic built to handle that engine. That engine's something else. Differential You've got a very strongly built 10-bolt posi back there. Suspension upgraded in the front and rear. All ride tech. And I want to show you those front A-arms, man. They are big and beefy. It's very nice. Beautiful. But take a look at the website when you get an opportunity if you're interested in the car. All your weather stripping is nice and pliable. Factory tilt column there. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Vintage air conditioning and heat. Everything works. Again, you know, your doors close nice. You don't have to slam the door, and the gaps are excellent. That hood is just nice and flat. Up front here, you got those, I guess these were enduro bumpers that they called them back in the day. By 1974, I think it was, they started to go with the mono colored. You know, you didn't have the chrome anymore. But let me take you under the hood of this car. I had to find that hood latch. This is a 455 built by Butler Performance. They're a renowned outfit for Pontiac. That's all they do back in Tennessee, Lawrenceburg, I believe. It's been punched to a 467, and it is producing 565 horsepower on the dyno, balanced, blueprinted, got all the paper on it. Very nicely done. But the owner really wanted this engine, and it's excellent. So you've got your coated headers down there. They're kind of deep down there on the Pontiacs. Nice Holly carb, aluminum manifold, March pulley system, which is all of these brackets and so forth. So you got a polished alternator. You've got your vintage air compressor here, power steering, power brake booster, front disc brakes, Willwood front disc brakes, big nice aluminum radiator with your dual fans that come on when it needs it. Aluminum heads, very well built, sounds excellent. 3-inch dual exhaust system here. Man, what a neat car. This is a cool car. I mean, I got to tell you. Dual sport mirrors. What I'd like to do now is I'll hop in the Firebird, start it, you hear it run. I'm just going to drive it up the driveway a little bit here, and I'll back it up and I'll come back, and that way my wife's getting cold. It's cold here in Oregon. As you can see, I kind of got us between the raindrops here on a little bit of a dry day, so that's why we're doing the video. I should have done the video some time ago, like maybe several days ago. We haven't had the weather for it. So what I'm going to do, go ahead, I'll jump in the car, start it. I want you to hear it run. It runs excellent. Yeah, I think you'll like it. Man, that engine sounds great, doesn't it? Revs real quick. As you can see, I accidentally hit the accelerator a little harder than I probably should have, but it doesn't take much, believe me. This thing is ready to rock. Again, you know, fresh engine built by Butler Performance, strong built transmission to handle it, strongly built differential, all new suspension, big beefy A-arms up front, sway bars, the whole nine. It's just a fantastic car and super fun to drive and strong as it can be. So, you know, if you kind of like these Firebirds, which of course I do, this would be one to have. This is a lot stronger than it ever thought of being when it was new. So, very fine car. Vintage air conditioning. You got tunes if you like that. But if I can answer any further questions for you about this 1977 Pontiac Firebird Esprit, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Rich Dean at West Coast Collector Cars. My number is 503-851-6763, and thank you for watching today.